Good afternoon, children. So, in our Saturday class, what we have completed? From doing things with my body, we have completed one part. That is, I can do many things. So, shall we revise that first? Then we will move to the next. Okay, which is the first sentence? I can tie my, very good children, shoelace. I can tie my shoelace. Then next sentence, I can brush my teeth. What is the third one? I can play with a ball. Fourth sentence, I can chew the food with my teeth. Next one, fifth one, I can, yes, talk to my mother. And the last six sentences, I can shut my eyes. So these are the things which we had learnt in our previous last class. So let us move to the next one. What is the next one? In doing things with my body, from page number 175. The second part, what we will complete? That is, but I cannot. Which one you are still not able to do? So write this, but I cannot. These things you cannot do it still. So already we have completed this page in the test book. So that same sentence I will write on the board. Then we will read. Then you can copy it down. So the first sentence is, see children, I have grabbed the board and written sentences for you. So what is the first sentence? Yesterday we have learned it is all about I can do things. But here, but I cannot. Which one? You are too small. You cannot do. The first sentence is climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb a, what is the answer? Very good children. Tree. That means you are studying at home. Very good. What is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. Tree. But I cannot climb a tree. So what is the first sentence? But I cannot. You cannot climb a tree. After your sentence is over, put full stop. Next one. But I cannot wash a, picture is given, car. Very good. Can you wash a car? Will you be able? How your father can do? No, you cannot do that one. So, what is the second sentence? But I cannot wash a car. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R. But I cannot wash. W-A-S-H. Wash a car. C-A-R. Car. Got it? What is the first sentence? But I cannot climb a tree. But I cannot wash a car. Come to the third sentence. But I cannot. What is this? C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. But I cannot carry. Carry means you carry things. But you cannot carry a big stone. So what is the spelling of big? B-I-G. Big. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. But I cannot carry a big stone. What is that fourth one? See, after you complete the sentence, you have to put full stop like this way. Now third sentence is, but I cannot carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry a big, B-I-G, big, a heavy stone. We can call it big. So stones are very heavy. B-I-G, big stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone. Come to fourth one, but I cannot. What is this? Cook some food. Can you cook now? Children, are you able to go in and stand in front of a gas and you can cook some food for others or for yourself? No, you are too small. So, to lit a gas is very dangerous for you. So you need an adult, but this work you cannot do. So what you cannot do? But I cannot cook. C-O-O-K. Cook some food. What is the spelling of food? F-O-O-D. Food. Put full stop. But I cannot cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. S-O-M-E. Some. F-O-O-D. Food. But I cannot cook some food. Come to fifth one. What is that fifth one? But I cannot. This is drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive a car. You cannot drive a car. You don't know how to wash a car. You cannot be able to drive a car. So, drive a car. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R. Car. But I cannot drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive a car. C-A-R. Car. Come to sixth one. Teach. What is this? Teach. Come to the sixth sentence. But I cannot teach my father. Can you teach your father? Father do like this way. Father do that way. This is the wrong way. Isn't it? No. Your father guide you. Your father teaches you now many things because you are too small. Things which you can do, you have learned from your mother and your father. But in return, you cannot teach your father. So, but I cannot teach my father. Spelling, say M-Y, my, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. But I cannot teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach my, M-Y, my, father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. So these are your 6 sentences. Yesterday we learned on Saturday, things I can do. The second part is, but I cannot. So what is the sentence? But I cannot. Yes, read after me. Keep your pencils down. Look, once again we will read 2 times, then you can write it. But I cannot climb a tree. But I cannot climb a tree. But I cannot wash a car. But I cannot wash a car. Third one. But I cannot carry a big stone. But I cannot carry a big stone. But I cannot cook some food. But I cannot cook some food. But I cannot drive a car. But I cannot drive a car. Last sentence is, but I cannot teach my father. But I cannot teach my father. So children, these are the 6 sentences. You have to read it and you have to write it. So before that, note down your homework very neatly. You have to write these sentences 2 times. So 2 times do your work and you have to by heart it. Okay? These sentences you have to by heart it. And children, send your work within time with neat and good handwriting, and within 8 o'clock you have to send your homework to me. Okay children, do reading of page number 175 again and again so that you can by heart it. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.